Unique Gandhi Jayanti. It was evening time. While Gattu, Chinky and Dad were watching TV, Mom was working in the kitchen. Just then the secretary of the society came in. Gattu, Chinky and Dad were very happy to see him because the secretary was an old man with good values. At the same time, he had a lot of influence of Gandhiji on him. That's why there was a lot of simplicity in his behavior and living. Everyone in the society were impressed by his personality and used to respect him a lot. Hey Mr. Secretary, come on in and have a seat. Hey listen, the secretary has come. Bring some water for him.
Dad, I'll bring water for him.
Okay son, and also tell your mom to bring hot milk without sugar for him. Gattu ran inside and Dad started talking with the secretary. So tell me, what is it? You know that, right? That 2nd October is approaching. The birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Yes. Will we be celebrating Gandhi Jayanti in our society this year too? Yes. I have come for the same purpose. I want to call a very big lecturer from Sevagram. That's great. I have to collect donations for the same function. Why did you take all that hustle? You should have called a meeting. There's no hustle in it. I am getting the privilege of organizing the birth anniversary of Bapu. If I won't do this hustle, then how will I be called a devotee of Bapu? Yes, that's also a point. The secretary drank the water Gattu had brought for him. Chinky noticed that the secretary had brought some books with him.
What are these books?
This is what I brought for you two. Read them well. These books are written on Bapuji, especially for children. They will definitely read them. Gattu, Chinky are very fond of reading.
Sir, tell us something about Bapuji.
Whatever we tell about Bapu, it would be very little in comparison with the work he had done. He was a lawyer by profession, but seeing the atrocities of the British, he left everything and became a freedom fighter. He fought with the British with two weapons, Satyagraha and non-violence. Satyagraha means insistence on truth, acceptance of what is true. Freedom is a human right, that is the truth. Then why should we be the slaves of the British? That is why he did a peaceful movement and finally made our country independent. That's when Mom brought hot milk. The secretary drank the milk and after that he talked to Dad for a while. Mom brought the money and she gave it to the secretary. The secretary took the money and left the books for Gattu, Chinky.
Dad, you watch TV. We are going to our room to read these books.
No. I will turn off the TV. I also want to read these books with you.
Alright, Dad.
And Gattu, Chinky and Dad started reading the books. Gandhiji was a wonderful person.
What happened?
Look, what a wonderful story is written here. Once Gandhiji was going to a village with his companions. It was the morning of 2nd October. The secretary was standing with the security guards looking upset. You guys should have paid attention. Even today the cleaning staff did not come. How much filth has spread here? Today is the birth anniversary of Bapuji. He did not like dirt at all. Now how will the ceremony happen?
What shall we do, sir? Their manager is not even picking up the call.
Then go and call their garbage people and bring them here.
But we do not know his home.
Standing away from there, Gattu, Chinky listened to all these things.
Raju's parents pick the garbage of our place, don't they? We know his house. Come on, let's go. Otherwise the ceremony will not start. Yes, let's go.
Gattu, Chinky came running out of the society and reached in front of a small house through small alleys. Raju was washing utensils outside the house.
Raju, why are you doing the dishes? Where are your parents? Why didn't they come to clean up? Gattu, Chinky, Mom and Dad are not well. They can't even get up. Did you take them to the hospital? How will I go? The manager is missing. He didn't even paid for my work. But you don't worry. I'll come and clean it up.
Hearing this, Gattu, Chinky felt pity.
You take care of mom and dad. About cleaning, we will take care of it.
Then Gattu Chinky came back to the society. Now many people had gathered to express their concern over the filth spread in the society. Gattu Chinky went and told everything to the secretary. Oh my god! Now who will clean this mess?
We all will do it together. Anyway, it is Gandhi Jayanti. You know how much Gandhiji was insistent on cleanliness and self-reliance? We will also clean our society by becoming self-dependent. Yes, there was a story of Gandhiji in the book you have given to us. Gandhiji was going to a village with his companions one day. The road was very dirty. His companions were taking each step very carefully and also were making fun of the villagers. Suddenly the companions saw Gandhiji was cleaning the whole path by himself with a broom in his hand. We should also take this ideal of Gandhiji.
Hearing this, everybody present there felt embarrassed. Wow, Gattu Chinky! What I did not understand even after reading my whole life, you both have taught me today. Come on friends, we will clean this all by ourselves. Then what? Everyone took brooms in their hands and started cleaning. Gattu Chinky was picking up garbage in dustbins. In no time, the entire campus was cleaned. When the chief guest arrived, the secretary told him everything. The guest told Gattu and Chinky, "You two are very intelligent children. Children like you are the future of India, and then the India of Gandhiji's dreams will soon come true. You know the address of Raju's house, right? Take me there once the lecture is over. We will take Raju's parents to the hospital." Gattu Chinky's happiness knew no bounds on hearing this. Thus, Gattu Chinky celebrated the unique Gandhi Jayanti by showing their wisdom and understanding.
మరిన్ని వివరాల కొరకు మరియు సందేహాల కొరకు మా హెల్ప్ లైన్ నంబర్ను సంప్రదించగలరు. ధన్యవాదములు.